In Malaysia, the prices of gasoline is 20 pesos per liter. In the Philippines is 60. Reason, equal basis, our prices without the subsidy and without taxes is even lower than Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand.
Wow.
It's also the
Hello guys, magandang araw po sa lahat. RJ Angeles RN po once again. So ngayon nakita ko lang sa newsfeed ko. So magbigay lang po tayo ng komento dito. Grabe ito no, isang bilyonaryo pong nagsalita nito na maging 20 pesos po ang ating gasolina dito. Posible po ba? So panoorin natin si Tito Ramon Ang po guys. Okay, so nandito siya. Panoorin natin. Ayan. So, ito siya.
I'd like to share with our audience here today why is it the fuel prices and power prices in the Philippines is higher compared to our neighboring countries. As you know, San Miguel and Petron is in Malaysia. In Malaysia, the prices of gasoline is 20 pesos per liter. In the Philippines is 60. Reason, Malaysia subsidized one-third. The other one-third is taxes. Philippine government impose taxes, and our neighboring countries don't impose taxes. But if you look at it on a equal basis, our prices without the subsidy and without taxes is even lower than Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand.
Wow.
It's also the same as
Yun, grabe talaga ang ating Tito Ramon Ang. So, which means, mas mababa ang ating gasolina dito sa Pilipinas kaysa ating mga kapitbahay kung walang taxes tapos may subsidy siya ng ating government ang ating mga gasolina dito sa Pilipinas. So, as we all know, si Tito Ramon Ang po, okay, isa sa bilyonaryo dito sa Pilipinas at syempre, siya pong may-ari ng Petron. So, when it comes to sa mga gasolina na yan, negosyo na yan, mga taxes na yan, so siya po talaga ang magaling dyan. Ayan. So, possible talaga pala na 20 pesos ang ating gasolina kung mangyayari ito na wala ng tax at syempre may subsidy ang government sa ating mga petrolyo, okay? Or sa ating mga gasolina dito sa Pilipinas. So, yan. Tuloy natin.
Our power generation compared to our neighboring countries are lower, but we impose taxes on the power sector, on fuel, and we also don't subsidy. We don't give subsidy on power. That's why our power prices are higher. But if you are a foreign investors that want to come to the Philippines, that is not a reason for not coming. You should come and put up your own power generating plant in your factory, which is very easy to put up. And Philippine government encourage all big energy consumers to put up. For example, if you want to put up your own nickel processing plant, you put up your own power plant. It's welcomed by USEC Marasigan. I think our country's market force compared to our neighboring countries are still subsidizing heavily on fuel and power. Why are they able to do it? Because Malaysia has its own oil production. Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, our oil production is only 6,000 barrel per day compared to our neighboring countries average 1 million barrel a day. That's why they can put in subsidy. Philippines, we don't have oil, but we have a very big reserve in West Philippine Sea. That's why they are very interested on the Philippines. So let us not let go of it. We should protect our territory. Salamat po.
Yun, grabe ang ating isa sa bilyonaryo guys na tumutulong sa government, si Tito Ramon Ang. So, ayan, kahit sa mga energy natin, ganun din ginagawa ng government sa ibang bansa or sa ating kapitbahay po dyan na bansa na may subsidy at tinatanggal talaga ang tax para to lower down ang ating electricity at ang ating mga petrolyo, guys. Grabe! At ang lupit talaga, magaling talaga si Sir Ramon Ang, guys, ang mga ganitong bagay. Siya po yung CEO or may-ari po ng Petron. At syempre, siya po isang business man at isang bilyonaryo. So, kukuha tayo ng advice niya 'Di ba po? So napakagaling at napakagandang idea po 'yan at experience niya rin po 'yan, guys, no. So kailangan din po 'yan ng Pilipinas para syempre lalago yung bansa at bababa ang presyo ng ating petrolyo, ng ating enerhiya. So hinihikayat niya rin po ang ating mga investor na mag-invest sa bansa. So kung mahal po ang ating enerhiya dito, so magtayo na lang po sila ng kung ano pong energy na gusto nila. Like syempre yung solar energy. So gagawa ka na lang ng negosyo dito, nag-invest ka dito sa Pilipinas, so gagawa ka na lang ng mga solar energy po yan para makalesser ka po ng bayarin sa electricity mo kung ano man pong energy na pinagkukunan nyo po. So, ganun din po sa ating gasolina. So, yan lang naman po ang sinasabi niya. Kailangan natin sa ating electricity at sa ating mga gasolina na yan, petrolyo natin na para mas mababa pa sa 20 pesos, kailangan natin yung subsidy at tanggalin na talaga yung tax. Kagaya ginawa ng ibang bansa, okay, ng ating mga kapitbahay sa Malaysia, sa Vietnam. At syempre, nabanggit niya rin po ang West Philippine Sea na kung saan may isang malaking bansa na sasakupin ang West Philippine Sea. Syempre, ang sabi ni Mr. Ramon Ang na marami po diyang enerhiya or petrolyo dyan sa West Philippine Sea. Kaya malaki po ang kanilang interes sa Pilipinas. So, napakagaling nito. At ngayon ko lang po ulit narinig si Mr. Ramon Ang nagbigay ng payo or ng advice sa ating bansa. Okay? So, yan guys, napakagaling talaga ng ating Mr. Ramon Ang. So, ayan, salamat ng marami. At huwag kalimutan po mag-like, comment, share, subscribe. At more videos pa po tayo. At magko-comment po tayo no, kung ano man po yan sa ating content as political vlogger. Thank you so much and this is RJ Angeles RN once again. Thank you po.